Unless you're looking to fall asleep. I don't know. Maybe you're reading this late at night and you need something. And you thought, oh, I'll go over to that Cindy Lou girl's channel. She'll be sure to put me to sleep. Hello, everybody. It's Cindy again. Welcome back to my channel. And so I am coming back from a little anniversary getaway with my husband, and right before we left we got the mail, like literally 5 minutes to go. We got the mail, and what came but both my Yes Oh Yes bag, and I also got a second Allure Beauty Box. So I don't know if the one that I unboxed, which you may have seen already, I don't know if this is the monthly box, if this is a gift, if this is a second monthly box. I don't know what it is. Somebody's gonna have to explain this to me. I think I did hear something like if you signed up for an Allure Beauty Box by the end of the month, like you end up getting 2 boxes, like one right after another. So like I signed up at the very, very end of May. So I don't know if what I just unboxed was a May box or was a June box. I'll have to look it up, because I may have inappropriately called it June. My Allure Beauty Box, this one comes in much better condition than the other one did. So I think we'll go ahead and open this one up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like what you see, feel free to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will leave my info down below. Life has just been so busy, both professionally, personally. So I haven't been as active on those things as I have been, and that's gonna happen. I try to keep up with things, but had to hold off on unboxing these for 2 whole days, and I don't like to wait. I'm an Aries. I don't like to wait. It's not in my nature. Speaking of not wanting to wait any longer, I bet you're ready. I'm certainly ready. So let's go get on into the boxing now. Unboxing. The boxing. This is already boxed. Sure, Cindy's gonna tear me apart for that. And she is brutal. Open it in front of you. Oh, it must be like a second monthly box. So this is what it looks like inside. I wish they said the month on here. The theme of the month is smooth sailing. I'm gonna do my best to stop reading so much about the product, like maybe give you like the highlights, because you know, I can make reading interesting, but I don't know how interesting that really is for me to sit there and read a spiel on it. I'm guessing that y'all don't want me to hear me sit here and read this stuff. I mean, unless you're looking to fall asleep. I don't know, maybe you're reading this late at night and you need something, and you thought, oh, I'll go over to that Cindy Lou girl's channel. She'll be sure to put me to sleep. So I think this is another carefree summer, and I think everything in here is supposed to like help smooth your skin and make it like glowy, hence smooth sailing. Oh, I got something strange in here that I don't think I'm gonna be using. They put this in here. Hey, y'all, I found you through my HelloFresh. I don't need no more HelloFresh. We got some strange stuff here, I can tell. Okay, so there's this orange clear bag. I think this must be an Allure thing, because it like you must get one of these every month, which I don't know if I'm gonna be digging getting this, but it could be a nice little thing to stick stuff into for travel. I'm gonna open it. Or not. I had it upside down. I'm a moron. I'm gonna go ahead. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out because I already see it and it scares me. I have a Saint Tropez tan applicator mitt, which I didn't know until I started watching people put on self-tanner on YouTube that you were supposed to use a mitt. I mean, I was just the dumb butt that always thought, first of all, I've only done it a few times in my life, and my husband told me I looked like an Oompa Loompa and I was ridiculous, but that's just him. I thought I looked pretty good. I've never put it on my face. I've always done like my legs and arms and things, like, because I just don't think that that would be a good look up here, but I don't know, maybe I should try. I've done it. It's either been a spray where I like tried to spray it evenly and then maybe like rubbed it down with my hands, but I've never like actually used a mitt. So anyway, I have a Saint Tropez Prep and Maintain Tan Applicator Mitt. And then to go along with it, I have this Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Well, that's interesting. And it says a natural looking glow in 3 hours. 3 hours, does that mean you have to keep it on your skin for 3 hours? Okay, I'm gonna have to read the instructions because I don't do things like this. I burn in the sun. I turn into a red little cherry. Be like a barbecued pig. That would probably be more close. I just naturally accept that I'm going to be a pale, pasty white girl who must stay out of the sun at all costs, even though I like the sun. I just accept it. And so I don't do things like try and, artificially make myself look darker than what I really am and what my skin ever wants me to be. So that's just me. Does it keep you from getting more burned? No, I don't know. Maybe it would provide a nice barrier. I doubt it though. This is tested by different people, I guess, at Allure. They think it's one of the best self-tanning formulas because apparently easy to spread a thin coat over the skin so you don't get streaks or splotches. So we'll have to try that out. If you were to have the full size of it would be $44. See what's in here next. This is the Amore Pacific Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. So you can kind of see it if I point it downward like that. That's interesting. The cap is down at the bottom, I'm guessing, so it's easier to get out. It's a sleeping mask, so it's a nighttime thing. White peony extract and green tea polysaccharide. Be interesting to know whether or not this breaks me out, because sometimes when it has fancy things like peony in it, it might cause my skin not to be so happy. Eureka, a hydrating mask that doesn't smell like anything. I can wear it overnight, focus on Z's, and have brighter skin by morning. Whoa! Oh, well, I guess it's nice to try it. I will probably never buy it unless I ever become a millionaire, and I don't see that happening in this lifetime. Apparently a full size of this is $200. It's the teeny tiny bottle that I have here. I'm not balling at that level yet, folks. I'm starting to wonder if this box is not directed towards somebody like me. Yikes. It's nice to feel fancy even just for a few nights, I guess. Literally just got this as an add-on. The Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. Now I have a second one, I guess. I should have just waited a little bit and I would have been able to try this. But you know what? I've already tried some of the cream over the weekend and I really like it. It has ceramides and sodium hyaluronate, and which is, hyaluronic acid. That's good for you. And apparently she says it smoothed out wrinkles under her eyes in less than a week. It's a mighty big claim, but it'll be interesting to try. Oh, the full price of that isn't too terrible. It'd be something I'd actually be willing to maybe spend some dough on. $35 for a full size. So that's not bad. Next, I got by Model Co. and it's the Eyelights metallic eyeshadow, and it says St. Bart's in it, so I'm assuming that might be the shade. It goes bad in 6 months. Does it really go bad in 6 months? Well, it might, because it is a little cream eyeshadow. That's cute. How I feel about liquid eyeshadow. I usually don't use it. It takes too much time to dry. I got slightly hooded eyes. Ain't nobody got time for that. But it is a cute little shade here, and it is in the shade St. Bart's. It could also be used as like maybe a nice subtle liquid highlight. So that's what it looks like there. It's very subtle. So maybe this would be good, something good to travel with, or to have like in your makeup bag for the on the go. Like, oh, I didn't have time to throw on makeup this morning, so like maybe I can take this and throw it on right before I get into work or whatever. Don't pretend like y'all haven't done that while sitting at a red light. Okay, I know you have. Nice. It's very subtle, very light color. What would that color be? Champagne. It's a champagne. That's what it is. It's a champagne-ish color. I don't know if I got a full one here, but the price is $12 for a full one. Good Lord. I swear I have more lip gloss than I ever wanted. I am wearing some today, but I'm a little bit scared that it's gonna go sliding right off my face at any moment. This is the Laritzi Cosmetics lip gloss in Vibe. Can you read that? Vibe. So here's the box. Okay, it's okay. I don't think I can properly get it on here. There's like some weird bubbling thing going on here that I'm not crazy about. There's like a residue. I just don't know if that's the way that the formula looks or if it's like gotten heated up or something. There's like some selling going on with that. Okay, that's not terrible, but it's another flippin' lip gloss, man. It does smell good. It does smell like cake frosting. They must all try to cover up whatever scent or chemicals that they have with this cake, vanilla cake frosting. A little bit of wash of color with it. It's very nude lip gloss. Pretty sure I've gotten like 5 lip glosses, 4 or 5, at least 4, if not 5 lip glosses in just the last 2 months. So it is $20 for a full price one, for a full size one. And I'm guessing this is full size. This looks pretty full size to me. The weird powder thing that's kind of scaring the heck out of me. I don't know what this is. And I've never seen anything like it. It looks like cake batter in a bottle here. You know those little pancake, the shake and pour pancake things where you add a little bit of water to it and you shake it up and you pour it? You know, it's supposed to be easy pancakes, but they taste terrible. Yeah, this is what this is kind of reminding me of right now. Gross. Oh, don't tell me things like that. I'm going to have to read this bottle to y'all and let you see if you find this attractive or not. It's Allure by, I'm going to guess, Jeanseo. It's called Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. The directions say, mix a tablespoon of Erase with a half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Now, exactly what I want is to be sitting here figuring out and actually like almost cooking with my cosmetic item. No, thank you. Apply to face and let dry for 1 minute. While still damp, gently massage away. Paste should come off like eraser peels. Does that sound appealing to you? No pun intended. Taking blackheads out and reducing large pores. Add a drop of water to continue erasing if paste dries. Use twice a week as needed. So like it's literally like a paste you put on your face and it kind of looks like flour. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of this. And this just, I mean, ugh, I don't know. It's a loose powder exfoliator. That's what they call it. Made with, yes, what did I tell you? It's basically a pancake mix. It's made with milk, powder, and oats. This is probably something you can make on your own at home if you really wanted to. With some of it sounds like evaporated milk and a little bit of oatmeal, you know, or some quicker oats. It says skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. Oh, that's an image. Apparently it is $15, although like I said, you could probably go buy a metric ton of evaporated milk and Quaker oats and make it on your own for much cheaper than that. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, well, I guess I'll try it. I shouldn't knock it before I try it, but it looks weird. I have 6 little samples here for $15. That's not too bad. I'm not nearly as angry at this as I was at the last one. The last one, come on, y'all. The last one was useless. It was useless. Utterly useless. Did I say that in 3s yet? Is it comedic yet? Go watch that video if you really like rants and somebody getting angry at stupid products. If you want to see an uncultured girl get angry at rich people's stupid products, go and watch that video. I'm sure nobody else thinks it's that funny. This isn't too bad of a box. I'm excited because I think they've got a Huda Beauty lipstick for July on the thing, and it's a color I really want because I love that bright red. I'm actually kind of excited for July's box, so I will at least keep it through July. This has been my Allure unboxing. I still don't have a special gift in here, so I don't know if the last box was my gift or whatever, but if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You can check the description box of figuring out where you can find me on social media. Feel free to subscribe and to also turn on that notification bell if you want to. I totally get not wanting to be bugged about every little upload. I get that. And have a wonderful day, evening, weekend, whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.